Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make your avatar dance with the music sticker on Instagram. So to do that, I'm just going to scroll this to the left, and I'm just going to take a picture real quick. Hopefully my mic is on. Actually, let me check. Yes, I'm sorry, I had to check if my mic was on. So select music here, and I am going to type in the song Sienna by the Marias. I really like the song. I really like this artist. I think I'm gonna listen to more songs by her, but I'm just going to select that. And as you can see, you can add in an avatar, so just select whichever one you want. I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to select on this avatar bit, and here you can change the avatar. So obviously you would want the dancing one. Obviously this is not what I look like, this is just an example avatar, but they usually add the dancing one on top like this, and you can kind of move it and kind of zoom it in to see a little bit of the avatar dancing on top of the record spinning. You can also change it to this one, and you'll still be able to see your avatar. You can change it to this one as well. Even the text, your avatar will show up on top, and then this one too, as well as this mode, as well as this mode. And I think the music will only show your avatar dancing on Instagram. You can't really zoom in too much on your avatar. As you can see, this is the biggest it could be, but you can again change your avatar by pressing on it, if it will let me. Here, it can also you can also change it to this one. Oh my god. Well, let me just remove her. Can I remove her? Why can't I can. But you can obviously change your avatars into something else if you would like to. Super cute. I like the dancing one a lot. Again, if you want to change the avatar, you do need to select the music bit. Select select your avatar, and then select another pose if you would like to. Maybe this one. Well, anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is how you can add an avatar to your music sticker on your Instagram story. If this did not work, just leave it in the comment section down below again. Also, I'm just going to repeat the tutorial a little bit so that you guys can see. I basically, again, just went to the music thing. And then if you want an avatar, just select your avatar here next to the colors, and you can add them. You can also change the color of the title here. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.